Can artificial intelligence pen a compelling narrative? Can it craft a story that tugs at your heartstrings or sells a product more effectively than a seasoned copywriter? Can it create a world with nothing more than 26 letters and a handful of punctuation? Welcome to a fascinating exploration into the world of AI and copywriting. Picture this: a small tech startup, let's call them tech innovators, struggling with their copy. They have a great product, a revolutionary device that could change the way we use technology, but they just can't seem to find the words to sell it. They've tried professional copywriters, they've tried doing it themselves, but nothing seems to stick. Enter ChatGPT, a language model by OpenAI. With its ability to generate human-like text, tech innovators decided to give it a shot. They feed it some information about their product, what it does, its unique selling points, its target audience, and then they let ChatGPT do its magic. The results? A compelling, engaging copy that not only accurately describes their product, but does so in a way that resonates with their target audience. The punchy headlines, the persuasive body copy, the compelling call to action, it was all generated by ChatGPT. But that's not all. ChatGPT didn't just write a one-off piece of copy for tech innovators. It became an integral part of their content creation process. From their website copy to their email marketing campaigns, from their social media posts to their product descriptions, ChatGPT was there, churning out effective copy that drove engagement and conversions. So what does this mean for you? It means that AI isn't just a tool of the future, it's a tool of the now, a tool that can help you write more effective copy faster, a tool that can learn from you, adapt to your style, and help you reach your audience in a more meaningful way. So why not give ChatGPT a try? It's not about replacing human copywriters, it's about augmenting their capabilities. It's about freeing up their time to focus on strategy, on creativity, on the things that AI can't do. Because at the end of the day, AI can generate text, but it's the human touch, the creative spark, that turns that text into a compelling story. And with ChatGPT, you can have the best of both worlds. So, step into the future of copywriting. Embrace the possibilities that AI presents, because who knows, the next great piece of copy might just be a few clicks away.